What's up everybody, and welcome back to the Top Collectors channel for yet another video. Before we kick this off today, if you guys are new to the channel, consider subscribing as it would really help us to bring you the absolute best content geared towards mini car collections. Without further ado, let's jump right in. Today, I'm very happy to be announcing Mini GT as a new section to our channel. To kick this off, we have the Mini GT Lamborghini Huracan Evo. I know this came out a little while back. I really wanted to get my hands on it to showcase this to you guys. I finally have it. I'm super excited. And equally, this another Lamborghini Huracan GT Rosso Mars Liberty Walk or Liberty Works, sorry, GT. Look at that TSM. Looks absolutely great. It's even specified collector's model. Let's start with the regular edition. Already feels like another level. This has to be probably one of the most detailed 1/64ths that I own. This Mini GT Lamborghini Huracan. You got little plastic headlights, proper Lamborghini badging. Look at that front fascia, it's perfectly detailed in the casting. The lines on this, you got rubber wheels, real plastic rims, you have real little pieces of glass. The engine is actually detailed. Look at that rear section, you got Lamborghini written in the middle, plastic taillights, little painted mufflers, the Huracan Evo license plate, the diffuser at the bottom, little minor details. You got the little tampo right there next to the rear wheel, you got the little badging. It's absolutely stunning. In this orange, I'm supposed to be getting the lime green, magic green that they call it, from the Liberty Works mashup, and I'm hoping that this stands out from the rest because it's absolutely phenomenal the work they've done. Next up, the Liberty Works version. I've heard nothing of great things about this model. I hope it lived up to the anticipated hype. Right out of the box, it does. And I thought the basic Huracan Evo was a beauty. Look at this. This thing looks like a monster, man. LB Works. There's not much to say. This thing is absolutely stunning. The details on this, such a small scale. You have tampos everywhere, you got two-tone colors, paint jobs, you got matte, you got gloss. There's a lot happening. They even have side mirrors. Not a lot of 1/64ths have side mirrors, but the wheels on this, just stunning, stunning, stunning look. You got even those blue tailpipes and that license plate. You got this massive rear wing that goes from the body all the way to the back as support, the rib right there in the middle. You got the two-tone roof, you got the black that contrasts with the red. This thing looks absolutely phenomenal. It looks like a race demon. This thing coming up behind you, you just want to get out of the way. It's fantastic work, fantastic job from the team. This is absolutely beautiful. These don't have suspension unlike the Tomica models. However, they are slightly more expensive, but these are literally meant to be display and showcase pieces, and they absolutely look and feel premium, phenomenal, and definitely worth their price tag. That wraps this unboxing. Thank you so much for watching. If you guys did enjoy this video, feel free to subscribe and click that bell to get notified as soon as we drop new content. Don't forget to equally like and share this video. Never stop collecting, and as always, I'm Adrian, and we'll see all of you in the next one.